For the survivors of the Uttarakhand floods, the trauma is not over yet. Many are trying hard to cope with the psychological scars of the tragedy, which has led to the government sending in a team of mental health experts to the state, given that many have not only lost their loved ones, but also their source of livelihood.
For 2 months now, Deepanshu has had trouble sleeping at night. The images of devastation he witnessed firsthand in Rambada during the flash floods this year keep haunting him, as does the loss of his 18-year-old brother.
मतलब वो टूट फूट वो बाढ़ वो जो हम अंधेरे में जंगल में भाग रहे थे वो नज़र आता था। अच्छा। किसी समय मैं पीछे छूट जाता था और भाग जाते थे, फिर मेरे को डर लगता था, मैं कहीं पे फिसल जाता था, गिर जाता था, ये नज़ारा मेरे सामने आता था।
Deepanshu's trauma shared by many across the Kedar Valley who have not just lost their loved ones but also their livelihoods. With a question mark over their future, it's a complicated grief to deal with, and many are already showing signs of post-traumatic stress disorder.
मेरा बैग है, मैं बैग पीठी पे हमेशा लगा के रहता हूँ, भागने के लिए टॉर्च पकड़ता हूँ, जैसे बारिश आती है तो मैं भाग जाता हूँ घर से।
While some are more vocal about it, others like Savita, who lost her husband and 2 children, have hardly spoken since the day of their last rites. The rain, mountain and rivers are all an integral part of people's lives here, but they are now seeming like predators. In fact, when it rains heavily at night, people run out of their homes only with torches in their hand, spending the whole night outside. The psychological effect of the tragedy on the residents prompted the government to send in a team of mental health experts who have now trained local doctors.
People missing and so much trauma. In addition to human loss, there is loss of livelihood, there is loss of properties. So people are overall disturbed, yes, and it is being reflected.
Short-term and long-term planning has to be done. Short-term planning is that you have to train local people who can have be a good listener, number one, and can guide them and suggest them ways of living a daily livelihood.
But in the aftermath of their personal tragedies, it will be a long time before the invisible emotional and mental scars are on the mend. In Ukhimat with camera person SP Dwivedi, Ketki Angre for NDTV.